Hello, welcome to Cloud Support. Today I'm going to show you how to watch all your selected units on the map. First, add all units available to your work list. To do this, click on Add All Available button here and add all the units to the work list. But as you can see, some units are not available on the map yet. To do this, check this box for all of your units to appear on the map. If you need to monitor the units closely, clicking on this here will automatically adjust your screen to keep showing all the units on the map. Now, if you want to monitor only one vehicle, make sure this feature is disabled by re-clicking on this box because it would automatically readjust the size of your screen to show all units available. Thank you for watching Cloud Support.